So welcome back everybody here in a new video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you, as you probably have read from the title, I'm gonna show you my 3 losses that I had in a streak. So I lost 3 trades in a row in 2 different weeks. So let's start from the one that I took way before. So AUD CAD, if you remember, I made a video about it where I explained that I was gonna wait for some rejection from this area of interest to take this trade. So if we go to the daily, I took the trade right here. So I broke my trading plan. Why is that? Because after I saw this thing here, I didn't wait for the further retest of that area of interest, like I said in my YouTube video, but I decided to take this trade at this new area of interest here. So I created a new area of interest here on the daily time frame on AUD which has multiple touches. So yeah, it is a valid area of interest, but I didn't wait for the further pullback as I wanted to. And if you guys see, at the end of the week, this further pullback happened. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that I took this trade after this big rejection on the 4-hour. I really like this kind of rejections because they show me that price is now rejected from this area of interest right here. I took it after some retest. Let me see the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, I took it after a 30 minutes. Yes sir, yeah, I took it here after a 30 minutes rejection from the EMA. It went a little bit in drawdown, and then I completely lost this trade. I believe that if I were to respect my trading plan, I wouldn't have lost this trade, and neither the Euro USD trade. So Euro USD trade, I took it right here at this area of interest. It made a lot of sense, to be honest, to take it. It wasn't that bad of a trade. If we go to the daily, to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the 4-hour was bullish. So once again, I broke my trading plan because I took a trade with just one time frame in our direction, so only one time frame bearish, which was the daily. So I'm 100% okay with this loss because it's my fault that I took this loss. And also, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that it didn't have any shift of structure, so I broke my trading plan twice on this trade. So as you guys are seeing from my dashboard here, by the way, I opened the window because it's so hot here and it's raining today. So as you guys are seeing, I am in a drawdown of 2.2%, and it's bad because I lost 3 trades in a row. So this right here, Euro USD, AUD CAD, and NZD JPY. I'm not gonna count GBP because I took it this week and it is a break-even trade, so I don't care about this one here. So guys, if you're wondering how did I choose these 5%ers, I already made a video on it, but guys, I'm gonna talk about Profit Match, which is the platform, the best platform out there for you to select the platforms, to see which one is better, and to see other people's reviews. Because guys, let's be honest, when you go and look for the reviews of a prop firm on Trustpilot, not always these prop firms leave the good reviews, because sometimes guys, these prop firms can bot their reviews or delete some bad reviews. But here on Profit Match, you can filter a lot of prop firms. You can see the best ones, such as the 5%ers and FTMO, which are my favorites. And also guys, you can go and see the reviews for every single prop firm. These are verified reviews from people that have an account on Profit Match. Let's see the 5%ers. These are the reviews from the people. Some of them also leave the certificates, so we can see that he is funded. He got also a payout. So you can see real reviews from real people. And not only guys, because if we go to the offers page, which is my favorite, we can even save some money on buying the platforms. Such as here guys, we have Alpha Capital Group that gives a 15% plus a free account if we reach a payout on the challenges. with the code match. So if you go to the checkout and write this code here, you will have a 15% off and you can buy it even from here. So not only you can choose the best platform for you, but also you can save some money. So guys, please make sure to check Profit Match from the link in my description. So yeah, as I said, I lost 3 trades in a row. In fact, I am 2.2% in drawdown, guys, but next week I will overcome this drawdown. So please make sure to watch this Sunday swings video, because I always make a video on Sunday where I show my best pairs. And guys, last week I lost a trade that was almost a week out, because then it would have gone into my take profit. So the pair is NZD JPY. NZD JPY, let me delete this one here, so because these are not from the trade that I took. Okay, hide. So guys, on NZD JPY we were here. We had the break under this beautiful area of interest with multiple touches and the neckline of the head and shoulders on the daily time frame, because I count this thing right here as a head and shoulders. It is a head and shoulders to me. So we had the break under this area of interest, then we had the retest. Once we had the retest, what I decided to do is to wait for the 4-hour time frame to turn from being bullish, because it was bullish going to the upside, to turn bearish. And I waited for that, because I counted this thing right here as the higher low. We had the break under this under this higher low here. So I simply took this trade to the downside without, guys, waiting for something that is very important in my strategy, because once we have a lower low, we gotta wait for the lower high to sell. While here you can see that I sold at the lower low without waiting for the lower high. So if I waited more for the lower high, I could have saved me a loss. I could have saved me 1.25% on a profit challenge, and it is my phase 2, as you heard from the title. So after that, the trade went completely into drawdown. I never saw profits from this trade. Completely into the drawdown, came back once again to my area of interest, and then 4 days later, what did it do? It had a big, very, very big push that could have given me a 1, 2, 3 trades. So yeah, it happens. It's completely 100% my fault, because I didn't wait for the lower high on the 4-hour time frame. I am okay with this loss, and that's it. So guys, as of right now, as you saw, I am 2.2% in drawdown on my phase 2 on the 5%ers 10k account. Next week I hope that I will catch a 1 to 3 trade to bring me back in profit, and maybe to make me pass this challenge. So guys, as I said, if you wanna compare the best profits, check the link in my description for Profit Match. And if you guys want weekly Zoom calls with me, just join my broker down below with the link in the description and write me on my Telegram, because guys, I will give you full access to my free Zoom calls that I will do every single week. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment. See you next time. Bye guys.